Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about bionic limbs and how lives have been changed by this innovation. Ever met anyone whom have lost confidence in themselves because of a lost limb? Not worry, their confidence can be regained powered by AI and sensory feedback. Tech innovations in prosthetics have transformed timids to titans, commoners to colossus, everyman to emperors, and diminutive to demigods. They're smarter, more intuitive, and life-changing. So how does it work? AI algorithms learn and adapt to the user's movements and patterns, making the limb feel like a part of their own body. Sensory feedback sends real-time signals back to the brain, meaning users can actually feel what they're touching. Imagine picking up an apple and knowing its texture, or shaking hands and feeling the grip. This tech empowers users to live more freely and confidently. From advanced sensors to machine learning, this is more than engineering, it's a revolution that has come to stay. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks, stay tuned. Because the future of bionics is here and it's only getting better.